if you want to take a free demo test of our FxEen Expert Trading Platform, it will be very easy. For this, you need to submit few details. So there you can see this is the website FxEen.com. So there, as the first article, there you can see how to take a free demo test of our expert trading platform. So first, for this demo test, you need a demo account in a low spread regulated forex. So basically we need a low spread and regulated forex broker for use our forex robot, because some forex broker take very big spread. So if any forex broker take a very big spread for trading, then it will not good to use our forex robot. So better you chose a regulated ECN forex broker or raw spread forex broker account. It will be very good. And also you need a $3,000 in your demo account balance. Because if you want to use our forex robot properly, you need $3,000 in your account. Then you need to visit FxEen.com, our website, and then you need to go to step 1. So there you need to sign up for 15 days free demo test, and click get started. And there, if you don't have any account, you need to sign up. So there you need to write first name, last name, username. So there you need to write first name Asir, INTA, and the last name, and the username you can select asirfx360. You can select your username, and there you can select an email asirfx@gmail.com, and there you can set a password for the website. And also there you need to write your phone number, forex broker, and then you need to select a sector, apply for demo test. This is totally free. And then you need to write your broker name. Say for example, my broker name is ICMARKETS, IC Markets. And then you need to write your Mt4 account number. So basically there we need your demo account number. Say for example, my demo account number is this, and then you need to write your demo account Mt4 password, because you need to submit this demo account password, because after we set this trading robot in our VPS with this account. Okay, so if you don't give us the account password, then we cannot log into your demo account. And after logged into your demo account, we will set our forex robot, and you can see the trade from your Mt4 platform, from computer or phone. So then we need Mt4 password. Say for example, this is my Mt4 password. And then we need a broker server. Like if you see that when you create a demo account, it also give you a broker server in your email or in the account. You can see that. Say for example, there my demo account server is ICMARKETS demo 2. Okay, and how much is your demo account balance? So my demo account balance is 3,000. Okay, and then click this and click sign up. After that you will receive this, and then you need to check your email address. You will receive an activation code in your email address. You can see there is an activation code. Copy this activation code and go to there and paste these things, and then activate account. So after click these things, then you can see your account is activated. Now you can logged in. So now you can see this is your dashboard come, and also there you can see FxEen.com administrator will check your account details for the demo test. Your account and demo test is inactive because your account is not verified. We need to check your information to verify your account. After submit your demo trading account details, please allow us 24 hours to verify your account details. We will set up our Forex robot to your demo account and let you know once approved or denied by the administrator. You will receive an email notification.